Hi, I'm Gopika and I'm 29 years old. I teach psychology for high school and I'm a practicing therapist as well. Since my teens, I was going through a lot of mental health issues, but it took me a lot of time to realize that they weren't just a phase. Over the years, I would experience a lot of irritability, mood swings, uncontrollable rage, the feelings of hopelessness and despair. And after a point of time, it became too much for me. And then I think I made the decision of going for therapy. And it took me a lot of time to find a good therapist. Initially, I think 5 years back, when I reached out to someone, a psychiatrist to be precise, I was misdiagnosed. I was given the diagnosis of depression and accordingly the medicines. But then the medicines didn't seem to help me that much. So again, I sought second opinion, and then I was diagnosed as borderline personality disorder. Of course, there has been a lot of stigma attached to seeking help and taking medicines because I am a therapist and a psychologist myself. But then I think I just chose myself over those stigmas and those negative comments and those prejudices which are attached with mental health and mental illnesses as well. The support that I received from people was very minuscule to the support that I actually needed, because when you're suffering from mental health issues, it's very tough for you to tell people what you actually need, because it's difficult as an individual for yourself to understand that you need some support and what kind of support. That's also very difficult to say. And so it was very difficult to reach out to people around me. I think the most important factor that kept me going was that I had this strong need to survive and be my authentic self and be true to myself, because I felt that I was not able to show who I really am, or I was not even able to understand who I really am. To people who don't know about the importance of mental health, or who do but seldom talk about it, I would just like to say that it takes a lot of courage to be open about one's own sufferings and vulnerabilities. But it's equally liberating, when you decide to speak up. And one must not think that seeking professional help is a display of one's own shortcomings. It is more like giving yourself a chance to be better. And true, my mental health journey is actually a work in progress, and I will continue to be on this journey for myself and to an extent even for my story, if it needs to be told to others and if it helps. Thank you.